October 19th. We've got pretty calm surf this morning, but we got a pretty hard west wind. West wind's usually not my favorite to fish, but we've had 2 really cold nights, you know, in a row here, so hopefully that may have gotten some fish feeding. I believe the water temperatures are 68. Alright, looks like I have a chip in my guide insert on the tip of my 8'8" rod. So yeah, I'm gonna have to bring that in. Not a good time to have to be down one of my most mainly used rods, but gotta do it. Rather do that than lose a fish when the line gets cut on the insert. Alright. Since my surf rod is out of commission, I switched to the North Shore. I think I might be a little late here to catch, but we'll see. Squid. Squid followed my thing in and then almost beached itself right there. Look at the size of this bloodworm. Oh my gosh, I've never seen one so big in my life. Bass are feeding right at my feet. See if I can get one to notice me. Really muddy water. Got bit off by a snapper or a blue, unfortunately. There we go, finally. This guy must be really little. Putting up no fight. Later, bud. There we go. This guy feels a little better. Nope. Oh, he's off. There we go. This guy's pulling a little harder. Alright, later, bud. Alright guys, was hoping to get on some more quality fish on the South Shore this morning, but I'll take switching over the North Shore and just catching some schoolies, especially the way the fishing's been. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and ring that bell for notifications on future content. I'll see you all in the next video.